Hello, Hassan Huskies. This is your school counselor, Miss Holly.
And Miss Sherry. October is National Bullying Prevention Month. So we're going to talk about what bullying is, what it isn't, and what to do.
Have you ever heard or had a conflict with someone? Maybe you didn't like something they said or did to you, or maybe you didn't agree on something that is important to you. Conflict is normal, Hassan Huskies. Bullying, however, is a different kind of conflict. Bullying is when someone is mean to you on purpose more than one time. It also means that someone may have an unfair advantage.
So what do you mean by unfair advantage?
That's a great question, Miss Sherry. If someone is being mean to you on purpose over and over again that is older than you, is that unfair? Yes. Yes, that is an unfair advantage.
So, if your friend and you were saying mean things to me on purpose over and over again, that'd be like 2 against 1, and that's not fair. So that's an unfair advantage.
Yes, so we recognize that there are 3 things happening if someone is being bullied. The 3 R's to stand up to bullying are:
First R is to recognize what it is and what it isn't. So this means you recognize if someone is being bullied or if someone is just being mean.
Okay, thanks for that knowledge, Miss Sherry. The second R is to respond and refuse, Hassan Huskies. Stand up for a peer, because if you don't, you are also a part of the problem. If you see something, do something.
But Miss Holly, wouldn't that be considered snitching or tattling?
That's also another great question, Miss Sherry. No, reporting means you are helping other friends and other people at our school. Snitching or tattling is just when you want to get someone in trouble and no one is getting hurt.
So the last R is report. If you see something,
say something
to a trusted adult at school.
All right, thanks, Miss Sherry, and I hope that you enjoyed Hassan Huskies learning a little bit more about bullying. Please enjoy this video of our admin intern, Mrs. Johnston, and me, your school counselor, Miss Holly, learning more about the 3 R's to our music video. Enjoy!
¿Dónde la ciencia?
Use your eyes to recognize when bullying is on the rise. Shout, stop, and move away to make sure you and friends are okay. Last step is to report, 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 report. Last step is to report, 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 report. Use your eyes to recognize when bullying is on the rise. Shout, stop, and move away to make sure you and friends are okay. Last step is to report, 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 report. Last step is to report, report, report.